I've got a balloon out there.
Yeah, I can see your pink balloon.
Over there?
Yeah, over there, yeah.
Something just pulling on this here.
Yeah,
Look at that.
the rod that you built.
Good, it's just been, isn't it?
Awesome.
I hooked him in the mouth! I hooked him in the mouth! This is my brand new reel. This is my rod I built. Can you see the pattern on it? You see the pattern? It's a little fish. I built this rod anyway. This is for you, I hooked him in the mouth. Kayak fishing. About, 10 k's offshore. About 10 k's offshore. I don't know what it is, but this is my beautiful little reel. I just bought this reel the other week, done an unboxing on it. It's Saragosa. I've got another Saragosa over there with a balloon on it. This is a 10,000. It's one that my sweetheart's going to use, but she's a beauty. And this thing that lives in the ocean jumped on my line.
Yeah, coming. Yeah, okay.
Look at that. Nice colour. Beautiful colour.
It's very windy too.
Has the wind. Oh, he's fighting. Look, there he goes. Oh, there he goes. See him fight? Whoa.
Yeah.
See him?
Yeah, I did.
He took off like a fucking train.
I saw him. I don't know what it is, but I saw him. Here it comes again.
Oh, it's a shark. Watch out the way.
Yeah, I'm watching out the way. Drop your bail.
It's a beautiful little shark. Just watch your toes there, my sweetness.
I will.
It's a just got to untangle him. He's sort of choking himself out.
Yeah, he's a little bit tangled.
Just watch your toes there, sweetheart.
Yeah, I will.
There he goes. Beautiful. Calm down. Settle down, Gretel.
He's on the wrong rod.
There.
He should be on that pink balloon.
Come on. Yeah, I hooked him in the mouth. See? Hooked him in the mouth. Now, I've got some pliers in that side pocket there near my throttle. See in there? This one's a Gummy Shark. Pretty short. Okay. Now, I'll look in the book. It's one or the other. There. That's him there. Look. That's him there. Little Gummy Shark. See there? Nice little Gummy Shark. That one's got spots on him. See the spots? So we're going to take him home. We're going to eat this one. So, do you feel like having a bite of him? Okay. I'll clean this one up. We don't want to show the audience what I've got to do to him, but anyway. Black ass I ever caught. It's a break sea cod. It's the smallest one I ever caught, a little baby one. It's beautiful. Whoop. I'm going to put him back before he gets look, he's been chomped there, see? Something chomped him. Something had to go at him. I'm going to put him back. I'm going to put him back. Just watch your feet there. Over here, I'll put him back over here. Ready? Beautiful, he swam off. See him go? Let him go. Beautiful.
Like a rocket.
Yeah. That was that's the smallest break sea cod I ever caught. They call them a black ass because they got all their scales around their bottom is black. They're pretty fish, beautiful eating too, but they got to be, I think, they got to be 300, I think.
Yep, 300.
300 they got to be, 30 centimetres. So that was pretty cool. I was just checking my bait. He ate my bait. Good on him, he got a free feed, little bugger. So I'm going to put some more bait on and I'll throw it out and hopefully I'll catch another shark. I'll see you later.